Okay, we're going to talk about this this blueprint that I send out. As you see, we got to talk about the blank. Question mark, what's the size? What size blank do I need? So we'd say, okay, if you unfold it this way, going this way, from here to here, we have to unfold it. So you got 4 inches here, you have 5 here, and then you got 4 inches here. So if you unfold it, 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 is 14. So we got 14 going this way. This way here is a little more trickier. Okay, so you unfold it, you got 4 inches here. You're gonna have to add probably 2 for the top, so this is 6. And then the distance from here is 6, and then 6 on the back side. 6 here, 6 here, and then 6 here. And then 6 here. So if you unfold it, you're going to have 18. So we need a blank 14 inches by 18 inches. So if you were using metal, you'd go cut your plate 14 by 18. This way here, we're just going to use paper. Okay. Pause.
Right.
Okay. All right, as you see, I put 4 pieces of paper together. I've got more than 14 going this way. And I've got more than 18 inches going this way. That's what I'm going to need for my blank. All right, so let's look at the print. So let's start off with, let's do the bottom square. It's 6. So we come up here. 3. Come back here. 3 inches. Three inches this way, because we're going to get total of 6. As you want to see, you want to keep everything 90 degrees whenever possible. Okay? So we've got 6 going this way. Okay, how wide is it? It's 5 inches. So it looks like we got 2.5 this way. 2.5. 2.5. Okay. Come back over here. 2.5. 2.5. Half of 5. 2.5. Okay, so this bottom square is this bottom square right here. Okay, now let's do the fold down with the peaks next. Okay, so obviously it's 4 inches. 4 inches, 4 inches. Come down. 4 inches. Come down 4 inches. Then we come over 3. 3 inches to the peak. So it's 3 inches right here. From here to there, it's 3 inches. Okay? So wherever 3, you kind of point it. 3. Catch that point. This will be 3 too. Okay? As you see now, we got this peak. Let's go get the other peak. Okay, we come back up. We hit 4 inches. It's 4 from here to here. We come back up 4 inches. And then we go back to the peak, to 3. And then back here, 3. So it looks like we could probably say that your blank for the peak's 8.5 inches. Looks like it's 8.5 from here to this top. I didn't figure that in, but no problem. All right, let's do the next side. The next side is 4 inches by 6. So we come up over here, 4. Simple, 4. Come back here, 4. Okay, now as you see, this is our blank. And usually when you're running a blank, you put these little lines out here so you don't get confused. This is going to be my cutout. How's that? Okay, this side here, 4 inches. As you see, 4 inches, 4 inches. Goes right next to this plate on the bottom. So 4 inches. We come back up. There. Four inches. If you want to try keep things square, it's a good idea to use your 90 degrees whenever you can to keep things square. Okay, so here's my blank. It always helps you to outline something and put these little lines on there so you know what you're going to be cutting to, what side. All right. So now we cut this out. You can use cardboard. Doesn't have to be paper. Whatever you want to use. Or if you did this project already, it doesn't matter. But I do have another one coming out. It's going to be a little more trickier. Up.
I'm paused.
Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, here's my blank. Now we would take it to the brake press and bend it up. Fabrication. You got to learn fabrication skills. Okay. Then I would take it and I could weld up these corners and this is what I would have. Just like that. If this was a tool thing, and you put a little handle here, you'd have a little toolbox. How's that? Not bad. So you could fabricate anything you wanted. There's my blank. There's my box.